Christmas is at the Target dollar spot. They have these banners. They have this one that says Be Merry, and then they also have this one that's really sweet that says Merry Christmas, and it's like a felt material. And they have their wood signs. This one is personally my favorite, is Merry Christmas, and I love that it has like the little greenery with it, and then the wood, like it looks like a sign you would buy that's like a lot more expensive. And these are $3, and then they have, I believe, they Let It Snow, and then just like a black chalkboard. Then they have these trees that are really pretty because they have like the wood base. They have this one that is just plain, and then this one that has pine cones. And then it looks like they're going to be bringing some bottle brush trees. These are $1 each, which I think is a good price for this size. There are some wood words. They have Noel, they have Joy, they have Mary, and they have Believe. These are all $3 each. They have some little metal houses that kind of look like a dupe for the Hearth and Hand ones, and these are $3. They have the silver one and then the black. They have some bells that are red, green, and white. Those are $3. They also have some signs. This one says Believe. This one would be great for a hot cocoa station. It says Christmas blend hot cocoa served here. That would be great to put some mugs under. Also have one for stockings that says stockings were hung. These are $3 each. Really great craft and like DIY section. They have these wood ornaments. They have white ones and gold ones and green ones. And then they also have this one, which I don't really like for Christmas, but I think would be super cute for Valentine's Day. And these are all at the price point of $1. Then they have some DIY banners, some card holders. You won't be able to fit very much on these. I think they would be really cute though for, I know it says Merry Mail, but I think it would be cute if you want to put like a few Christmas photos more than like Christmas cards, because you're not going to fit many Christmas cards. And then they have this one that says 'Tis the Season, some really cute stickers, really pretty ribbon, all $1. Then they have these, which are great to add on a stocking. They have a bunch of letters. Love these for DIYs. I bought these at the fall time and I thought they were so great to make little signs with like spare wood from extra projects, and they're adhesive and they're only $3. I absolutely love this vintage Santa with the black background. I think this is stunning, and it brings 2 plates for $3. They also have a few other patterns that are all at the $3 price point. Sled that they had a similar one last year that had a wood bottom. This one has the green bottom, and this one is $5. Got these candles for $3. The smell is okay. They have these sweet little card holders. They have little houses. And then they also have some with the bottle brush trees. I feel like these would be so cute, cutting off the tops and just putting them into your trays. They also have this wood sleigh in the wood color instead of red. And then they have this table runner, which is $3. As well as this table runner. And they have placemats for $3, red and green, and each one brings 2 packs. These adorable Santa boot planters are $3. The size of the stocking compared to my hand, it is pretty small, but I love the pattern on them. They have like a herringbone pattern, then this tweed pattern, and then this green one. I have some floral picks at the $3 price point. This like frosted eucalyptus, which is beautiful, and this would be really pretty in here. Yeah. And then they also have this one for $3, and this is very full, and that one would look pretty in here if you fold it as well. Have these adorable galvanized houses. This one looks like a silos. This one is a little bit taller, and then this one is shorter, and these are all at the $3 price point. I personally think the Walmart ones are a little bit stronger quality, but these are really sweet, like the different shapes. They have some garland for $5. This one, which is plain, and then like a glittery one. Also have these house scenes, which would look really cute with the houses, and these are $3. They have them in like a galvanized and then also white. Those signs are $1. These would be great for a coffee station. Here is the assortment of Christmas cards that they have, and they are all at the price point of $3. I really like that one. That one's my favorite, as well as this red one is very sweet. They have some sparkly succulents, and then tons of Christmas gift ideas. They have this book, Everyday Face, nails, and hairstyles, all for $5. They also have less traditional Christmas blanket scarves here. These are also at the $7 price point, but it's a really sweet color scheme. I feel like this one would be so cute for Valentine's Day. I feel like this is like the tween girls section. They have hairbrushes and nail polish and adorable little towels and some brightly colored bottle brush trays. I feel like this is so cute, as well as like huge ornament pillows, all $5. And then there's also blanket scarves that are brightly colored. And lastly, they have a little craft section for kids as well. They have tons of stickers and little art projects for kids. Most of them are ranging from $1 to $3, and they have a really nice selection. I hope you enjoyed seeing what the Dollar Spot has. Definitely check out your Dollar Spot and let me know what are your must-haves this year that you've seen. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.